How to fix the issue with Start menu not working in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with your Start menu not working in Windows 11 device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Then after the menu box of Task Manager will open in your screen. And now, from the left side menu, firstly you need to choose the option of Processors. After that, you need to navigate and search for Windows Explorer. So simply you can scroll below and search in the W alphabet, or simply click on it and then type the letter W. You will immediately be able to find Windows Explorer. Once you do, right-click on it and choose the option of End Tasks. After you have ended the Windows Explorer tasks in Task Manager, simply go back, and now what you need to do is try shutting down your laptop or computer. For that, click on F9, and as you can see, your screen has been locked. Now here, due to password privacy, you are not able to see my screen, but at the bottom right corner you see a power option. Simply click on it and choose the option of shutdown. As your Start menu is not working, you can use this method to shut down your computer. Now the last method to fix your issue is that click on Window plus R and then type msconfig. In system configuration, go to the boot option and click on Save Boot option. Then choose the option of network and click on Apply. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Start menu not working in your Windows 11 device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.